So I start exploring some of the most beautiful and iconic places that London has it. I started my morning at the National Gallery, founded back in 1824. It's home to around 2,300 European paintings. It has masterpieces by legends like Leonardo da Vinci. After that, I made my way to Tower Bridge, one of London's most iconic landmarks, opened in 1894. Its central road still lifts to let ships pass through. And of course, no trip to London would ever be complete without visiting Westminster, the home of Big Ben and the Houses of Parliament. In my opinion, it is the most iconic spot in the entire city. And just like that, my perfect day in London came to the end.